At Rexel and Denmans, we see the graft. We see the early starts and late finishes, the time spent in traffic, the skilled traders, the grit, the grind. We see those that go above and beyond. The hard work doesn't stop there. We see the missed penalties, the hand-me-down kits, the muddy pitches, the teams built on spirit, heart and the love of the game. Your friends cheering you on from the sidelines and the joy of scoring the last-minute winner. The grassroots club run by volunteers and a community not afraid to chip in and help out. We're as passionate about the game as you are. And that's why we're supporting the next generation. Powering their dreams. And in collaboration with our valued customers, we're providing hundreds of football kits to grassroots teams up and down the country. This is our little way of saying thank you for all you do. We're proud to be the official partner and supporter of Linfield, Cliftonville and Coleraine football clubs.